Hello, Sam-ariffic Science fans! It's been a while since our last pentology video, so I'm excited for this one. Have you ever wondered, how do you make a fossil? This video will be a step-by-step tutorial on how to do so. I feel I should clarify though, the average amount of time needed to make a fossil, 10,000 years, is much longer than any human has ever lived, so chances are you are not going to be alive to see the end result. Sam-ariffic Science fan, today we're going to unfold the world of fossils. Step 1 is simple. Find a dead thing. Doesn't need to have bones either. Plants can be fossils too. In fact, plant fossils are the fossils we use to make fossil fuels, which is, unfortunately, humans' primary power source. Finding a dead thing isn't hard. If you go hunting, you can get some prey and use that. Step 2 is bury the dead thing. Naturally, this would happen if you were lucky and died in a place where this would happen naturally and with speed. But now, you just need to simply bury the animal or plant of your choice and not long after its death. There are, however, a couple of requirements for where it needs to be buried. Somewhere where the water will get into the tomb, and it needs to be buried in sediment like sand. This is important for step 3. The burial also saves the dead thing from being eaten by scavengers or bacteria. Step 3 is to wait for a long time. While this is happening, exciting things are going on beneath the surface. Over a long time, the sediment you buried the fossil in, mentioned 57 words ago, begins to harden into rock due to lots of pressure. Simultaneously, mineral-filled river water enters the tomb and eventually evaporates. This leaves behind a bunch of minerals shaped exactly like the bones of the dead animal that you buried millions of years ago. Step 4 is to dig up your brand new fossil. Most people would be dead by now, or at least too old to move, so you can get someone else to do this step. Then, send it to a museum where it will be studied or put on display, or maybe both. So yeah, that's how you make a fossil in 4 basic steps. This is definitely my longest video at 10,000 years, but I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.